Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets brilliance. And today, we're stepping up our nail game with a quick and easy solution to flawless nails. If you're tired of spending hours at the nail salon or dealing with the mess of traditional polish, today's product might just be your new best friend. Let's talk about the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the shade Simple Pleasure, a nude short-sized Squoval set that's perfect for effortless elegance. Now, we all know that nudes are a staple in the beauty world, but Kiss has taken it a step further with their True Nude press-on nails. This isn't just about finding the right nude for your nails. It's about finding the nude that blends seamlessly with your natural tone, giving you that fresh, bare, but better look. And trust me, this shade works beautifully on a range of skin tones. Whether you're into a subtle look or like to go a bit deeper with your nude, there's something for everyone in this collection. Let's talk about the application, because with press-on nails, this is where the magic happens. No glue, no polish, just peel, press, and go. The PureFit technology behind these nails is truly a game changer. The nails are thin yet durable, which makes them comfortable to wear all day. I've tested these out myself, and I can tell you, if you're someone who's sensitive to the feel of bulky nails, this will be a welcome change. The press-on nails fit snugly, and the Squoval shape looks both modern and flattering. Not too pointy, but still sleek. I didn't experience any lifting or discomfort throughout the day, and I wore them through a variety of activities, including typing, cooking, and a few errands. When it comes to performance, these nails really deliver. They're chip-proof, smudge-proof, and waterproof, essential for a busy lifestyle, especially when you don't have the time or patience to worry about your nails constantly. I washed my hands, went out in the rain, and didn't have to worry about them budging or peeling off. And let me tell you, the hold is solid. The strong adhesive keeps them securely in place without damaging my natural nails, which is a big plus. No glue means no cleanup, no sticky residue, and no worries about those little nail mishaps that sometimes happen with other press-ons. The kit itself is super comprehensive. It comes with 30 nails in a variety of sizes, a mini file, a manicure stick, and a prep pad to ensure your nails are properly prepped before application. The instructions are straightforward, making it beginner-friendly, even if you've never used press-ons before. But like all products, there are some things to consider. While the adhesive is strong, it's also designed for easy removal, which is great. But if you're looking for something that lasts long-term, like over a week, these might not be for you. The lifespan of these nails is typically around 5 to 7 days, depending on your daily activities and how well you take care of them. Now, is this a product that provides good value for money? Absolutely. At a mid-range price, these nails give you a salon-quality manicure without the hassle or commitment. They're ideal for anyone who wants to look polished in minutes without the cost and time of a nail salon visit. But what about alternatives? If you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, there are other brands that offer press-on nails, but many don't match up in terms of durability or ease of application. These nails stand out for their super slim, natural look. You might find something similar in price, but the quality of Kiss's True Nude line, especially the performance and comfort, makes them worth considering. When it comes to packaging and build quality, the nails themselves are lightweight, but feel well made. The kit is compact and perfect for traveling or keeping in your bag for touch-ups. And while the adhesive is strong, you can remove the nails without any mess. Just peel them off when you're ready for a fresh set. Customer support is another area where Kiss excels. Though I haven't needed to reach out personally, Kiss is known for having responsive customer service, and their products tend to receive positive feedback from users for their ease of use and quality. To wrap it all up, these press-on nails are a fantastic option for anyone seeking a quick, no-fuss way to achieve a beautiful, natural look. Whether you're a press-on novice or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate the ease of use, the comfortable fit, and the lasting hold. For anyone looking to skip the nail salon without sacrificing style, this product will get the job done. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And if you've tried these nails, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how they work for you.